Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps Garden Dragon stamp set. This is a 4x6 stamp set and it has 8 pieces to the set. I'm going to stamp it out for you so you can see what the images look like. There are 4 images in the set and it comes with 4 sentiments. The images measure anywhere from 1.5 inches wide to 3.25 inches wide and 2 inches tall by 2.5 inches tall. I did make one card to share with you. I used the Garden Dragon stamp set and I paired it up with the Slimline Meadow die, and I used the Grass and Cloud Edger die to make the clouds. And that completes my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release. Don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.